Welcome to AI Verdict. Okay, the AI race is seriously heating up because China just dropped a bomb. They've released 4 incredibly powerful AI tools, and here's the absolute kicker. They're all completely free. And I mean it, no catches, no trial periods, and absolutely no limits.
While a lot of us are shelling out cash for things like ChatGPT and Midjourney, China is playing a totally different game. Their strategy, it's aggressive, and you can see it right here. They are making everything free to get every single person hooked and then just dominate the market through sheer volume. It's a really bold play for mass adoption.
And look, don't for a second think these are just some small random startups that are going to disappear next month. No way. We're talking about seriously powerful platforms backed by absolute tech giants like Alibaba. These things are built for scale and designed from the ground up to be used by millions as part of this whole new strategy.
What's just so wild is that you can tap into all this power right now, like today. This isn't some promise about future tech. It is a toolkit you can open up and use to create, to build, to automate, all for free. So let's just dive into the first set of these tools. Okay, first up, we've got a killer 1-2 punch from the same company. They're both all about creating media. They're called OneAI and Quen. And whether you're making complex professional videos or just need a quick animation, they're designed to work together to cover pretty much all your bases.
So here's the most important thing to get straight. Think of it this way. OneAI is like your full-blown professional studio. It's packed with features for those big projects where you need total control. Then you've got Quen, which is like the express lane. It's for when you need amazing results, but you need them fast. So let's zoom in on OneAI for a second. This isn't just some demo or a limited trial. We're talking about a complete professional-grade video and image creation suite. And again, I have to say it again, it is totally free with 0 limitations. The amount of power they've packed into OneAI is just impressive. You can edit specific parts of an image just by chatting with the AI. You just tell it what to change, and the rest of the image stays perfectly consistent. You can generate pro-quality videos, and there's even this Inspire mode, which is awesome for beginners because it automatically makes your prompts better. Oh, and you can create consistent talking avatars for your content. But honestly, the one feature that just blew my mind was the music video generator. The process is so simple. You just upload a little 15-second audio clip. The AI then analyzes everything, the lyrics, the mood, the sound, and then it just generates a unique video that is perfectly matched. I mean, this could be a total game changer for musicians and creators. Right. So if OneAI is the feature-packed studio, its partner, Quen, is the high-speed race car. It is designed for one thing and one thing only, speed. There are no waiting lists, no queues. You put your prompt in, and about a minute later, your video is ready to go. It is absolutely perfect for things like social media content or any project where you just can't wait.
Now, the third tool is called Panzeus, and this one introduces a concept that's, well, it's pretty radical in the tech world. It's all about creating with absolutely 0 friction.
So, what does 0 friction actually mean? Well, it means 0 of all the annoying things that usually slow you down and get in your way. That's right, 0 accounts to create, 0 emails you have to verify, 0 limits on how many images you can generate, and 0 watermarks on anything you create. You literally just go to the website and start creating. It completely removes every barrier to entry. And just because it's frictionless doesn't mean you're sacrificing any power. Pants has a massive library of AI models you can choose from, so you can always find the perfect style for whatever you're working on. Plus, the level of customization is just incredible, giving you really deep control over every single element of your image. All right, let's move on to our final tool, and folks, this one is a heavyweight. GLM 4.7 isn't just another language model. It is a direct and extremely powerful competitor to the top dogs like GPT-4 and Claude. So much money and so many resources have been poured into this thing with one specific goal, competing at the absolute top. And guess what? The official rankings are already showing it's succeeding. This is not some scrappy underdog. This is a top-tier contender, and you can get your hands on it for free. So how do you actually use it? It's ridiculously simple. You just go to the LM Arena website, head over to the code section, and pick GLM 4.7 from the drop-down list of models. That's literally it. You have unlimited access with no strings attached. And with that kind of access, you can do some truly incredible stuff. We're talking about building entire applications and games from scratch, generating detailed 3D models. You can even just paste a giant wall of text and have it create a fully designed interactive presentation for you. And if you don't know how to code, don't worry. It'll guide you step by step through the whole process.
Whew. Okay, so we've just gone through 4 incredibly powerful and free tools. Let's put this all together and recap what we've learned so you have a practical toolkit you can start using right away. All right, here is your brand new AI toolkit. For those big, professional video and image projects where you need deep control, OneAI is going to be your go-to. When you're in a hurry and you just need something good and fast, Qwen has you covered. For just endless hassle-free image creation without even signing up, Pants is the obvious answer. And for the really heavy-duty stuff like building apps or complex presentations, you're going to want to use the power of GLM 4.7. You know, this whole shift towards powerful free AI brings up a huge question. As this technology becomes accessible to absolutely everyone, who really stands to win the most? Is it the creators? Is it the big tech companies? Or is it the everyday user like you and me? Let me know what you think in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Verdict. I'll see you in the next